warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Let us to introduce ourselves. My name is Nela Cantika Sari.
My name is Suci Hairia Putri.
My name is Nail Agripina Rahoni.
In this video, we will show you how of you try typical Capri food.
Now, first up, I want to ask, what do you about Capri?
So that you know, let's watch the video.
Rio Archipelago Province is the province with the largest number of islands. Indonesia is an archipelago province which of course has a large number of islands and spread throughout the Rio Island. This province has almost 90% of the sea area. Capri has sea that have natural resource potential, especially fisheries. It directly borders Singapore and can be reached by ferry crossing between countries. Tanjung Pinang is the capital of the Rio Islands. Many people still think that the capital of the Rio Island province is Batam City, even though the capital of this province is Tanjung Pinang City. Most of the culinary delight in the Rio Island are seafood. In the Rio Island, as a province with more sea areas, of course it has more culinary delight and typical food souvenirs which are usually made from fish or often referred to as seafood. The language and culture of the Rio Island are more abundant. Malay, the language and culture, the people in the Rio Island are mostly Malay. In this because Indonesia is a country that has history of the Malay Kingdom. Friends, do you know what type of food gonggong is? Gonggong is a type of snails or shell that live in Rio Island waters. Gonggong is very popular in Capri because it is used a very delicious special food, especially when enjoyed with the typical Capri chili sauce. In this video, we will go to one of the food stalls that provides a gonggong menu. Okay, join us on our journey to Ibu Adel's gonggong stall.
To visit Warung Gonggong Ibu Adel, we can go from Street Raya Dompa, kilometer 8 above, after the roundabout. Once on Street Raya Dompa, we just go straight until we see a red light. Well, here we turn right. Not far after turning right, we immediately turn left. You can see a blue gate on Street Dompa Lama. After that, we went straight along the road. So, after seeing there is an intersection, we take the left side then go straight back a little further. Then, the road leads to the right and yes, we have arrived at our destination, which is on the left. Yep, Warung Gonggong Ibu Adel.
Friend, after a long journey, we have finally arrived at our destination, Warung Gonggong Ibu Adel. We are greeted with a beautiful view that suits the eyes. This place to eyes has a beautiful view of the calm sea and right next to it is the harbor. Friend, the food is here. It's still free here. We can even see that kitchens in the form of fish, seal, crab, and many more. Besides that, the local people are also quickly friendly and even wave at us.
Warung Gonggong Ibu Adel provides a variety of seafood menus, which are of course very varied, such as fish, crab, gonggong, shrimp, cuttlefish, etc. Apart from that, they also provide food such as fried rice, indomie, and chicken. There are also various kinds of vegetables and drink which are certainly very appetizing. Here, we also provide a package menu or mixed food which is of course at an affordable price, but you can still eat a variety of dishes. This option is very suitable for people who come in groups, such as office events and so on.
After we look at the menu, we will order rajungan crab with padang sauce, salted kale, crispy katong fish, balde gonggong, and we will also teh obeng. We're waiting for order to be ready. Let's see the atmosphere of the restaurant.
This is the atmosphere at Warung Gonggong Ibu Adel. The place is very spacious and comfortable with views of the sea and the ships carrying goods passing by. We can also see seafood that is still very fresh because it is taken directly from the cage. There are so many of them, such as crabs and fish, that it creates an attraction and distinctive characteristic of seafood eating place.
Finally, our food arrived. The first order that came was delicious boiled gonggong, rajungan crab covered in sauce, fried cuttlefish in flour, and don't forget to the kale and rice. Next, our second order was drinking water. Wow, from a distance it looks really delicious. The menu we ordered has all arrived. We immediately took the food one by one. Okay guys, without prolonging the time, let's just try it. Padang sauce crab or padang crab is an Indonesian seafood dish consisting of crab served with a typical Padang hot and spicy sauce, which includes chili pepper, garlic, shallots, ginger, turmeric, candle nuts, and spring onions. This food is one of the most popular crab dishes in the Riau Island.
So, next. This is gonggong, which has been boiled and eaten with dipping sauce. To eat it, we pull the operculum on the gonggong, then bite off the flesh. This gonggong meat has a delicious taste and has a high protein content.
Well, my friend, what I'm drinking is teh obeng. Teh obeng is a drink with a unique name. Teh obeng is actual other name for sweet iced tea. In the Kepri Island area, it can be found in various places, from restaurant to outline shop.
Assalamualaikum, sir. I'm Nal Agripina Rahwani. I want to ask a few questions, sir. When was this restaurant start?
Kami mulai usaha itu 2011.
Can you tell me more briefly, sir? This restaurant is standing.
Awalnya kan kita di sini basicnya kan dekat dengan laut. Jadi kan kita banyak biota laut seperti gonggong, ikan, ketam. Dan itu kita istri saya tuh berpikir bagaimana kalau kita jualan makan gitu. Nah itu awal-awalnya kita pun pertama jualnya tuh gonggong karena di sini khasnya kan gonggong.
Why this restaurant called Warung Gonggong Ibu Adel?
Kalau Adel itu anak saya nomor 3. Nah, itu disebut kalau Mama Adel, Adel itu anak saya, tapi karena orang manggil mamanya itu Mama Adel gitu, Ibu Adel gitu.
If may know when are the operating hours, sir?
Kita beroperasi dari jam 10 pagi sampai jam 10 malam.
Every day, sir?
Setiap hari.
What kinds of food are there here?
Untuk sementara ini kita masih basicnya di makanan-makanan laut lah, seperti sotong, ketam, gonggong, udang, ikan.
Oh, that means the best seller here is gonggong.
Kalau untuk menu utamanya itu gonggong.
Okay, sir. That's all. Thank you, sir, for the answer you give.
Iya, terima kasih sama-sama sudah mampir di warung kami.